today's lecture, we learn the fragmentation pattern and the mass spectrum of aromatic ester. Then consider what is the mass spectrum of aromatic ester. What are the characteristics for the mass spectrum of aromatic ester? In the mass spectrum of aromatic ester, generally molecular ions are intense in nature. The molecular ion for the aromatic esters are intense in nature, or generally molecular ion peak is generally strong in nature in the mass spectrum of aromatic ester. Then what is the principal mode of fragmentation? The most important fragmentation in aromatic ester are alpha cleavage. This is the first principal mode of fragmentation in aromatic ester, alpha cleavage. Consider this is the aromatic ester. This is the aromatic ester. Then it first undergoes electron ionization. It undergoes the electron ionization, and there is a formation of molecular ion takes place. This molecular ion is formed. Then this molecular ion undergoes the loss of alkoxy group as a radical. The alkoxy group eliminates as a radical, and there is a formation of phenylacyl ion takes place. This is the first fragment. The loss of alkoxy group as a radical by alpha cleavage. This alkoxy group eliminates as a radical to use phenylacyl ion. This fragment ion is generally formed. It has mass to charge ratio generally 105. In secondary fragmentation, this phenylacyl ion undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. It undergoes the loss of carbon monoxide. There is formation of phenylcation takes place at mass to charge ratio 77. Further, this phenylcation loses the neutral acetylene molecule. It further loses the acetylene molecule. There is formation of cyclobutadiene cation at mass to charge ratio 51. This is the first principal mode of fragmentation in the aromatic ester. In the mass spectrum of aromatic ester, the molecular ion peak are generally intense in nature. The molecular ion peak are strong in nature. What is the principal mode of fragmentation? The alpha cleavage is the principal mode of fragmentation in aromatic ester. Then which group are generally eliminated in alpha cleavage? In the alpha cleavage, after the formation of molecular ion, this is the molecular ion. This molecular ion undergoes alpha cleavage by loss of alkoxy group as a radical, and there is a formation of phenylacyl ion fragment takes place. This phenylacyl ion fragment generally formed at mass to charge ratio 105. If there is any substituent present on aromatic ring, then their mass to charge ratio is changed. If aromatic ring have any substituent at orthometal para position, then mass to charge ratio of this fragment ion is different. If it is unsubstituted ring, then fragment ion, the phenylacyl ion form at mass to charge ratio 100. This mass to charge ratio 105. Further, it undergoes the loss of carbon monoxide. In the secondary fragmentation, the phenylacyl ion undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. The phenylcation fragment is formed at mass to charge ratio 77, and further it undergoes loss of acetylene molecule, neutral acetylene eliminate, and there is formation of fragment ion cyclobutadiene cation at mass to charge ratio 51. There is very important, in every aromatic compound, if there is a benzene any organic compound which have the phenyl ring or benzene ring in the mass spectrum of this compound, these two peaks, these are the characteristic peak for the organic compound having a benzene ring at mass to charge ratio 77 and 51. All carbonyl compound generally shows, aromatic carbonyl compound shows the fragmentine at mass to charge ratio 105, phenyl acylium ion. It further undergoes loss of carbon monoxide. This fragmentine is formed, phenyl cation fragment is formed. The phenyl cation fragment and cyclobutadiene cation fragment, these are very important clue. These indicate these two fragments are present in mass spectrum of unknown compound. Then these indicate in the given compound, in the structure of unknown compound, there should be benzene ring is present. This is the first principal mode of fragmentation in the aromatic ester. Then consider the second way of fragmentation. Consider the another way of fragmentation in aromatic ester, the McLafferty. The second principal mode of fragmentation is McLafferty rearrangement or McLafferty fragmentation. The McLafferty rearrangement or McLafferty fragmentation. What is the McLafferty? What is the condition for McLafferty rearrangement? In aromatic ester, if alcoholic part, if the alcoholic part, alkyl group generally have the gamma hydrogen, then in acyl part the aromatic ring is present. In the acyl part McLafferty is not possible. But if the alkyl part in alkoxy group, in alcoholic part of the ester, if alkyl group is more than 2 carbons, then McLafferty rearrangement occurs to use McLafferty fragment ion. Consider this ester. The side chain in alcoholic part, the alkyl group in alcoholic part is more than 2 carbons. With respect to carbon, it is alpha, beta, and this is the gamma carbon. There should be gamma hydrogen atom is present. In the given aromatic ester, in alcoholic part, the gamma hydrogen is present. Then it undergoes McLafferty fragmentation. There is a first formation of molecular ion take place. This molecular ion is formed. Then intramolecularly carbonyl oxygen abstract the gamma hydrogen, there is a loss of alkyl molecule take place, neutral alkyl eliminate, the fragment ion is formed at mass to charge ratio generally even number. This is the McLafferty fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio even number. We already discussed in the fragmentation of aliphatic ester, if the alcoholic part of the ester have gamma hydrogen, then McLafferty rearrangement occurs to use the fragment ion. This fragment ion is generally carboxylic acid, and their mass to charge ratio is always even number. This is another mode of fragmentation which is possible in aromatic ester. The McLafferty rearrangement, McLafferty fragmentation, aromatic ester. In acyl part there is no gamma hydrogen, its phenyl ring is present, but in alcoholic part contain the alkyl group. This is the alcoholic part which are alkyl group. If this alkyl group is more than 2 carbons, then it undergoes McLafferty fragmentation to the 6-membered cyclic transition state. Carbonyl oxygen abstract intramolecularly gamma hydrogen atom. The breaking of this alpha beta bond occurs, loss of neutral alkene eliminate, and there is formation of fragment ion, which is a McLafferty fragment ion, which mass to charge ratio is always even number. This is the another mode of fragmentation in aromatic ester. Then consider the third mode of fragmentation which is possible in aromatic ester. It is very important. This mode of fragmentation is known as Artho effect. What is the Artho effect? Which not only aromatic ester but carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid, aromatic amides and aromatic ester, these three carbonyl compound. Which carbonyl compound generally undergoes Artho effect fragmentation? The three carbonyl compounds undergoes Artho effect fragmentation. The first one is aromatic ester. This aromatic ester, aromatic carboxylic acid and amides. Aromatic ester, aromatic amides and aromatic carboxylic acid, these are the three carbonyl compound which undergoes the Artho effect fragmentation. What is the condition for Artho effect fragmentation? The carbonyl compound aromatic ester, aromatic carboxylic acid and aromatic amides having at least one hydrogen on the group present at Artho position. The carbonyl compound acid, ester and amides having at least one hydrogen on group present at Artho position or group present Artho to the acid, ester or amide functional group. With respect to we consider this example. This is the carbonyl compound. Z is OH group, means it is a carboxylic acid. Z is OR group, means it is a ester. And Z is NH2 group, then it is a amide. We consider general. This Z atom is a OH, it is a carboxylic acid. Z is a OR group, then it is ester. And Z is NH2, then it is amide. With respect to acid, ester and amide functional group, if there is Artho group is present, consider this Artho group. It is any group, we consider Y, and this Artho group should be have at least one hydrogen. With respect to in carbonyl compound, aldehyde carbonyl compounds, acid, esters and amides having at least one hydrogen atom on group Artho to the acid, ester and amides. The group present on Artho carbon should have at least one hydrogen. Then these compounds undergoes the Artho effect fragmentation. What is the condition for Artho effect fragmentation? The carbonyl compound aromatic acid, aromatic ester and aromatic amides having at least one hydrogen atom on Artho groups. On Artho group, with respect to this functional group, if there is Artho group is present, the group present on Artho carbon is Artho substituent. If this Artho group, Artho substituent have at least one hydrogen, then what is this Y should be? It should be CH2 group. You see, this is a methyl. CH2, Y is a CH2, then CH2, CH3 group. Then Y should be oxygen, it is a OH group. And Y should be NH, then it is a NH2 group. Hydrogen containing group are present, at least one hydrogen containing group is present at Artho position. Then this carbonyl compound undergoes Artho effect fragmentation. This is the condition. The three compounds undergoes Artho effect fragmentation: aromatic acid, aromatic ester and aromatic amides. In today's lecture we discuss the fragmentation of aromatic ester, but these two compounds, other two compounds also undergoes this Artho effect We already discussed two possible fragmentation in aromatic ester, alpha cleavage and macrophotic fragmentation. This is the third way of fragmentation in aromatic ester, and which is also possible in aromatic acid and aromatic amide. But what is the condition? For the required condition for the ortho effect fragmentation is with respect to acid, ester and amide functional group, there should be ortho substituent present, ortho group present, and this ortho group should be have at least one hydrogen. Then this compound undergoes the fragmentation. Intramolecularly, this ortho hydrogen atom, the one hydrogen present on ortho group through the 6-membered cyclic transition state. This hydrogen atom present on ortho substituent ortho group intramolecularly abstract by this carbonyl functional group. The loss of neutral molecule generally takes place. If acid is the carbonyl compound, water eliminate as a neutral molecule. If Z is ester, Z is OR group, then alcohol is the neutral molecule eliminate. And if Z is NH2, if carbonyl compound is amide, the loss of ammonia as a neutral molecule takes place. This is known as ortho effect fragmentation. It undergoes ortho effect fragmentation. Consider this abstract this Y and Z atom is eliminated. This YZ atom is eliminated, and formation of this fragment ion at even mass number again. This fragment ion form at even mass number with loss of YZ atom. If Z is carboxylic acid is used, then water is eliminated. If Z is OR group, then alcohol is eliminated. And if Z is NH2, then loss of ammonia takes place. What is the ortho effect fragmentation? Aromatic ester, aromatic is acid, aromatic amides having at least one hydrogen atom on ortho group undergoes the fragmentation through the 6-membered cyclic transition state with loss of neutral molecule, water, alcohol or ammonia. If aromatic compound, carbonyl compound is carboxylic acid, it can be lose water. If aromatic compound, carbonyl compound is ester, it can lose the alcohol. And the aromatic carbonyl compound is amide, it can lose the ammonia to give fragment ion at mass to charge ratio even. This fragmentation is known as ortho effect fragmentation. Aromatic acid, aromatic ester and aromatic amides having at least one hydrogen atom on ortho group undergoes the fragmentation through the 6-membered cyclic transition state with loss of water, alcohol or ammonia as a neutral molecule to give fragment at even mass number. This fragmentation is known as the ortho effect fragmentation. The ortho effect fragmentation is very important. Then before discussing its importance, what is the possible mechanism? Consider the mechanism for this fragmentation. Consider the possible mechanism for this fragmentation. Then consider the chain group. It abstract this hydrogen on ortho group, transfer of this bonding electron between carbon and ring carbon and Y. This pi electron transfer between carbonyl carbon. This, and there is the loss of ZH. This HZ or ZH eliminate. This HZ eliminate. H and Z eliminate. This is the generally this cyclic transition state is formed. There is formation of this cyclic transition state, breaking of this bond, the new bond formation between Then again bond formation between. This is the 6-member cyclic transition state. 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon atom, Zy and 1 hydrogen. The 6 atoms are involved. In loss of finally, the elimination of neutral molecule occurs to use this fragment ion. Finally, loss of neutral molecule to use the fragment ion, its mass to charge ratio is even number. What are the importance of this Arthur effect fragmentation? Arthur effect fragmentation is a very important to distinguish the artho-isomer from their corresponding meta and para isomer. We can easily distinguish the artho-isomer of carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid, ester or amide from the corresponding their isomers artho and para or meta and para isomer. Artho effect fragmentation is useful to distinguish the artho substituted carboxylic acid, artho substituted ester, artho substituted amide from their corresponding meta and para isomer. Consider the example. Then consider this example. It is ester molecule. This ester molecule have ortho-hydroxy group. And consider the another ester. Consider this another ester. In this case, hydroxy group present at meta position. Then with the help of mass spectra, how will you distinguish these two compounds? Then we can easily distinguish these two compounds. The other fragment ion in both compounds are generally same. Alpha cleavage. The fragment ion formed by alpha cleavage in both compounds mass spectrum often at same mass to charge ratio. But what is the different fragment ion? In this case, with respect to ester functional group, there is an ortho-hydroxy group is present which have one hydrogen. Then it undergoes Mac-Lafferty fragmentation and it used Mac-Lafferty fragment ion. The condition for it undergoes Arthur effect. With respect to ester functional group, there is a hydroxy group is present which have one hydrogen. Then this compound undergoes Arthur effect fragmentation. And for Arthur effect fragmentation, there should be formed 6-member cyclic transition state. If this substituent hydroxy group present at meta or para position, then there is no formation of 6-member cyclic transition state. The 6-member cyclic transition state cannot be formed. Then meta isomer and para isomer does not undergo the Arthur effect fragmentation. Then it undergoes, first it undergoes electron ionization. There should be formed molecular ion. There is formation of molecular ion. Then intramolecularly it abstracts this hydrogen atom. If this molecular ion is formed, then it intramolecularly abstracts this hydrogen present on ortho groups, and this formation of fragment ion. If this fragment ion is formed with the loss of methanol, what is the mass to charge ratio of this fragment ion? There is a total 7 carbon, 12 into 7, 84. There is 84, 2 oxygen, 32, and number of hydrogens are 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4. 10 plus 1, 9 plus. This fragment ion formed at mass to charge ratio 120. This fragment ion formed at mass to charge ratio 120. 20. Generally, this molecular ion have mass to charge ratio 152. But in this case, the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 102 is not possible. In the mass spectrum of, consider it is a compound A, it is a compound B. How will you distinguish these two compounds with the help of mass spectra? Then these two compounds we can mass spectrum by Artho effect fragmentation. In compound A, with respect to ester functional group, there is Artho hydroxy group is present. Then it undergoes Artho effect fragmentation to give the Artho effect fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 120. In the mass spectrum of compound A, in the mass spectrum of compound A, the Artho effect fragment ion is present at mass to charge ratio 120. On other hand, the compound B does not undergo Artho effect fragmentation. There is no Artho group with respect to ester, and in the mass spectrum of compound B, the Artho effect fragmentation at mass to charge ratio 120 is absent. With the help of mass spectra, we can easily distinguish these two compounds by Artho effect fragmentation. These are the three possible mode of fragmentation in aromatic ester: alpha cleavage, McLafferty fragmentation, and this is the third one, Artho effect fragmentation. This is possible in not only in aromatic ester, but this Artho effect fragmentation is possible in carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid, as well as it is also possible in aromatic amides. Then consider the example. Consider one example for the fragmentation of aromatic esters. Then consider this example. Then consider this ester. This aromatic ester, it gives the fragment ion at 194, 138, 120 and 121. Show the fragmentation mechanism to form this fragment ion, and what are the structures of the fragment ion and these mass to charge ratio. Consider this mechanism of this fragmentation, how these fragment ions are formed. Consider out of the 4 fragment ion, the first one is molecular ion, and out of this remaining 3 fragment ion, the 2 fragment ion have even mass number. There is very important clue with the help of in the mass data, in the mass spectrum, the fragment ion other than molecular ion, if other fragment ion generally have even mass number, then these fragment ions are always formed by the McLafferty fragmentation. Also we discuss Artho effect fragmentation. Artho effect fragment ion also have even mass number. Is out of the 2 fragment, one of the fragment ion formed by McLafferty fragmentation and another one is formed by the Artho effect fragmentation. With respect to ester, there is Artho hydroxy group is present. In this compound, Artho effect fragmentation is possible. Then consider the first. It first undergoes the electron ionization. It undergoes the electron ionization. There is formation of this molecular ion take place at mass to charge ratio 194. Consider number of carbons. Ring have 6 carbons, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Total number of carbons is 11. 11 into 12. One carbon have weight 12. 11 into 12, 132. 1, 2 and 3 oxygen. The 3 oxygen have mass 48. And number of hydrogens 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10, and 10 plus 4 14. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14. The 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. This has mass 194. Then it undergoes the alpha cleavage. It undergoes alpha cleavage. It undergoes the alpha cleavage. Loss of alkoxy group. Alkoxy group eliminated as a radical. The formation of this fragment type. What is the mass to charge ratio? Total number of carbons 6 plus 1 7 carbon. 7 into 12 84. 2 oxygen 2 into 16 32. 1 2 3 4 and 5 hydrogens. 4 plus 2 6 6 plus 5 11. 8 plus 1 9 and 9 plus 3. The fragment ion have mass to charge ratio 121. Determine the structure of these two fragment ion. Then what is the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio? Do all the possible fragmentation in given compounds. We already discussed there is a 3 different way of fragmentation: alpha cleavage, McLafferty, and Arthur effect. Then do all the fragmentation and then count or calculate the mass to charge ratio of the fragment ion obtained by or performing the given fragmentation mode. Then consider another fragmentation. This carbonyl compound, consider this. If there is a formation of this molecular ion with respect to carbonyl, it is alpha, beta, and there is a gamma. In alkoxy part of the given ester, gamma hydrogen is present. Then it undergoes McLafferty fragmentation. It undergoes McLafferty fragmentation with loss of alkene. There is a 2-methylpropene eliminated as alkene, and formation of this McLafferty fragment ion take place. What is the mass to charge ratio? Consider total number of carbons 6 plus 1 7 into 12 again 84. Number of oxygens are 3 into 16 48, and number of hydrogen 1 2 and 10 carbons 4. 6 hydrogen 6 into 1 6. The 8 plus 6 14 14 plus 4 18. 8 plus 1 is 8 plus 1 9 9 plus 4 13. This is the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 134. This is the McLafferty fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 138. Then consider the another fragmentation. In this carbonyl compound, consider the third possible fragmentation. In this ester, then consider with respect to ester functional group. With respect to ester functional group, there is presence of artho group which have one hydrogen. Then it undergoes artho effect fragmentation. It undergoes artho effect fragmentation. It undergoes the artho effect fragmentation with the loss of this alcohol. What is the mass to charge ratio of this fragment ion, artho effect fragment ion? The number of carbons are 7 into 12 again 84. Oxygens are 2 2 into 16, 32. Number of hydrogen 1 to 4 hydrogens, 4 into 1, there is a 4. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 3, 120. This is the fragment time at mass to charge ratio, 120. These are the structure of fragment. This is the structure of fragment time at mass to charge ratio 138. It is formed by Mach-Rafferty fragmentation. This is the fragment type. It is a molecular ion. Its mass to charge ratio is 194. It undergoes alpha cleavage to give this acylium ion fragment at mass to charge ratio 121. And this carbonyl compound have ortho substituent. Then it undergoes ortho effect. This ortho effect fragment ion formed at mass to charge ratio 120. But today we stop here. In next lecture we learn the fragmentation pattern for the carboxylic acid. The fragmentation pattern for aliphatic carboxylic acid.